In this short video, I'll show you how to convert Excel to JSON. First, go to your browser and go to Google and type in Beautify Tools with this one. This is the first site. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in this site, we need to look for Excel to JSON converter, which is right here. Now, what we need to do next is to press Browse. Now, in this section, you can go ahead and choose what Excel file you want. I will go ahead and choose this one to convert. There we go. Next, just go ahead and click Download. And there we go. Now, in my case, it's a text file instead, but don't worry, we could easily change that to a JSON. Go ahead and open the download, which is this one. Right-click, rename, but instead of the actual name, you need to convert the text file into a JSON. So erase the text and type in JSON, press enter. It's going to tell you that it's going to change the format, but that's okay. That's what we want. Press yes. And that should convert it. To make sure, let's open it. And there we go. We've successfully converted the Excel into a JSON. Now you know how to convert the Excel into JSON.